If your Dyson Ball is making this horrific noise when you turn it off, and momentarily sometimes when you turn it on, don't panic, it's just your filter. It's caused when air is forced between this rubber seal and the filter itself, and on older models it's the rubber seal around the filter that makes the noise. Well, why? Sometimes, not very often, it's because the filter's just come out of place. So check yours and retry your vacuum, but the odds are it's because your filter is blocked. Now, these filters are washable, but let's face it, if your filter's got this bad, when you wash it, all the dust inside is just going to clog up and it's not going to resolve the issue. Trust me, I've tried it thousands of times. The 100% cure is just to change the filter. They're quite inexpensive nowadays, very easy to do, and the bonus is you often get the other filter as part of the set, so your suction will improve too.